Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi guys, welcome to Battle of the Stitches, July 2025. This is the second week where we give a sneak peek of what we've made. And this month is the Tall Alternate Stitch from the book 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracey Todhunter. And if you want a complete explanation of what Battle of the Stitches is, I have a video where I explain it fully, and the video's in my description. And if you're interested in being one of the people who competes in Battle of the Stitches, get in touch with either me or with Teresa from Critters Crochet. This month we have two competitors. We have Nova and Lexi, and I have their channels listed in my description so you can find their channels there. Make sure you check out everybody's sneak peek, and it's a lot of fun to try and guess what you think it is. So I'll show you a sneak peek of mine. I know it's probably hard to tell from that, but if I do too much, you might kind of know what it is. But I'm excited to hear what you think it is, and I'm excited to reveal what it is next week. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.